to change a fibre laser nozzle. A quick guide. To change a nozzle, simply unscrew it clockwise to remove it from the thread. Now, if you look closely, you'll notice the difference between nozzles. This one here is a single, and this one's a double. It has the insert. Doubles are typically used with oxygen, while singles are usually for air, high pressure, or nitrogen. To install a new nozzle, screw it back on anti-clockwise. That's the whole process. When tightening, avoid over-tightening or using tools, as the threads can lock. If they do, you'll have a tough time getting the nozzle off.